good day, or good morning, or maybe good evening. Every day we say these words as a matter of course, as a ritual of politeness, and we don't even realize the importance of the change of day and night for us. Our daily rhythm follows one revolution of the Earth around its axis and lasts about 24 hours. The levels of illumination, temperature, atmospheric humidity, and Earth's electrical and magnetic fields vary constantly during the day. In 2017, a Nobel Prize was awarded to American researchers for discovering the molecular mechanisms controlling circadian rhythms. The biological clock controls important processes in our body. They determine periods of wakefulness and rest. They set the body temperature and control the levels of certain hormones. The driving forces behind this mechanism are cortisol and melatonin. See how they change each other throughout the day. The key that sets them in action and regulates their levels is light. Cortisol, a cheerfulness hormone, is produced during the daylight hours and is responsible for our well-being and working capacity. Melatonin allows the body to relax and rest at night. The sleep hormone increases in the evening and reaches its maximum in total darkness. Epidemiological studies have shown that exposure to light at night suppresses the peak of melatonin, increasing the risk of malignant neoplasms. An international team of health researchers studied 78,000 nurses around the world working shift schedules and revealed that an increase in breast cancer and colon cancer is directly related to an increase in working shifts per week. Studies revealed another very important function of melatonin, the body's immune defense. It's the adequate level of this hormone in the blood that protects the body from a number of diseases, including cancer. Of course, it's impossible to do without artificial lighting in a modern city, but it's possible to reduce melatonin suppression by controlling light pollution, which has long been a concern for environmentalists. The first to talk about it were astronomers, since lamplight reflecting from the skies makes it impossible to observe the stars. Many have long forgotten what the Milky Way looks like. Street lighting also impairs the life functions of many nocturnal insects and animals. In cities, light pollution can be so high that it suppresses the production of melatonin to a level where it stops performing immune defense functions. Unfortunately, the amount of artificial lighting is constantly growing. How can light pollution be reduced? Here are some tips. Warm color temperatures should be favored, 3000 Kelvin and below. The blue and green part of the spectrum has the most negative effect on melatonin levels. The lighting should be engineered following the light where you need it philosophy. State-of-the-art optics and luminaire engineering technologies allow using luminaires with minimum light pollution and directing the light to where it's needed. The poles should be located considering the direction of the light to prevent it from shining into residential building windows. Using several smaller luminaires is preferable to one powerful light. The use of a control system will allow creating lighting scenarios that vary by time of day, traffic, and presence. There's no need to use 100% lighting power during nighttime. Dimming to standby mode significantly reduces light pollution and power consumption. Motion sensors provide light at the right place and time.